The war against terrorists has been termed an ideological battle, and attacks such as the suicide bombing of the Islamic International University in Islamabad strike at the hearts and minds of Pakistanis. Fearing backlash to Operation Rahe-Nijat, schools across the country have been ordered shut till Sunday. While many parents are nervous about their children's safety, students say prolonged closures make it difficult for them to follow courses.
Current situation is highly disappointing, and for students like myself, it may be, free time for all of us at this point, but then once school reopens, we have to cover the same amount of studying in a shorter period of time, so it's adding to the burden.
Schools and other institutions are beefing up security both inside and outside their premises. But while students are sitting at home due to school closures, those from out of town are holed up inside hostels such as this. Zuhaib, a resident of Lahore, lives in a hostel in Karachi University. He feels that despite the risks, educational institutions cannot be closed indefinitely.
We as a nation, we cannot stop because we are afraid of these people. We have to show them that we are not afraid. That's exactly what they want. They want us to be afraid, they want us to stop, and they want us to, they want to affect our lives in a very negative way. We cannot allow that.
Other students also agree the war against terror is at our doorsteps, and everyone has to play a part in defeating those preaching intolerance and destruction.
I'm from Islamabad. My brothers and sisters are not going to school for previous 4 days, 5 days. Before that there was an attack on GHQ and my brother's college just next to GHQ. So life is totally hampered. My parents are calling me every day, every second minute.
We need to have security, and that's something that is not being provided overall in Pakistan. Your normal man has to feel safe. And obviously when these guys, are running wild, you really need to do something, and you have to defend your own.
Attacks against civilian targets have left authorities with little option besides temporarily shutting down schools. A sense of fear has also spread through the nation. But in this battle of ideologies, people feel they must fight to keep their way of life alive. Mobin Nasir, Dawn News, Karachi.